Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making egg roll. This is your first time here, welcome. I'm in my OGs. You're highly welcome back. Today's video is not going to be done by me, it's going to be done by my intern, and her name is Uzoma. Uzoma is going to say hi now.
Hi.
Okay, she's gonna be doing the whole mixing and I'll be the cameraman. So here we have flour, nutmeg, baking powder, sugar, salt. That's all for our dry ingredients. She's just going to mix it together and incorporate it properly. After mixing the dry ingredients together, we're going to add our butter. After adding this butter, you're just going to mix it up. So that you can achieve a breadcrumb-like consistency like this. Then you can add your egg and your milk. You can decide to add the milk at once, or you can decide to add it in bits, maybe 2 times. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can check out my other videos. I have amazing videos you'd love to see. So at this stage you have to mix it properly. You don't want flour on one side and dough on the other side. You have to mix it very well, properly, and she's actually doing a good job. Now at this stage she's scraping off the dough. She's just going to dust the surface for her to actually knead the dough properly. If you've watched up to this level and you haven't subscribed, you're wrong. Keep watching, guys. This is what the dough looks like. The essence of putting this flour is to make it easy to hold, because you have margarine inside of it. It could be margarine for you, it could be butter for you, so depend on the one you can afford at the moment. Here I have 568 grams. Now I'm going to divide it into 6 parts. At least I got 6 out of it, so I was able to do 94 grams. That's in 6 places, so it would be equal, and I'm going to roll it equally and fry equally. So this is after measuring it and cutting it properly. I'm just going to flatten it and put in my egg in the middle, then cover it up with the dough. This is so easy to make, trust me. You can make this for your family. Uzoma is a lover of egg roll. Now it's time to fry our egg roll. Yay, this is the part I love most. Please, it is very technical at this stage. The oil has to be hot, and the oil has to be not too hot. This is to ensure that it's done outside and it's done inside, like it's well cooked. So you can check the fire. If it's too hot, you can reduce it, and if it's less hot, you can increase it. I don't know the thermometer rate that you're supposed to use to fry this, but just use your head, use your eye, and eyeball the thing. Don't be scared if your egg roll opens up at some point. It's totally normal. It's totally normal. We see cracked egg rolls now. It's normal. So this is what the end result looks like. This is a well fried egg roll. So yummy, so delicious. Brown outside, yummy inside, and the egg is okay. So this is just basically how to fry your egg roll. You can put a twist to your recipe. You can add some ingredients that you feel you would like to be inside of the dough. So this is just a strainer and a serviette. I'm just going to put in my egg roll into it so you can see properly what it looks like. It is so yummy. When I tasted it, Uzoma was even proud of herself. This is the egg roll that opened that time, so you can see it's closed itself up already. So look at everything looking so imperfectly beautiful. This is my recipe on how to make egg roll. This is my way of making egg roll. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like this video, share it to somebody who needs it. Subscribe to this lovely channel and join this family of mine. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. I love you. I love you.